Hello, this is Zack and welcome to another edition of Adventure Quest. And this is a beautiful winter edition here where I am at Mcgurdy Park in Corunna. And as you can see, there are many Christmas houses and a Christmas church and a full-on Christmas village. And we're going to kind of explore around and show what we got here, the Corunna Historical Village of Shiawassee County. So let's go check it out. On this special evening in Corunna at the Historical Village, there's many beautiful buildings open that you can actually go inside and explore, including a schoolhouse and a church and several log cabins. So let's go see what we got. Here we have the inside of the schoolhouse at the historic Corunna Village, and we've got some beautiful old desks. And it's a classic schoolhouse. George Washington and Abraham Lincoln. And, I just like the vibe here because you have a beautiful Christmas tree and all kinds of beautiful decorations going on, and it really puts you in a festive mood out here. Very nice. Here we go. Look at that. Beautiful horses here in the midnight air. Nice. Horse-drawn carriage ride. Nothing like a horse-drawn carriage ride to make you kind of get in the mood, get in the Christmas spirit, you know. We're going to follow those guys around this little runway here and look at some of the other buildings that we have to see. Before us we have the church and this clock tower, and it's just kind of like your town center kind of ring around the rosy village shot here. Lots of lights, lots of houses open, free, and donations to all of the different places can be given. And I like that part about it because you want to keep this stuff going. Let's go in this beautiful church here and see what we got to offer.
That overcomes full heart. Be strong, fear not. My God will come and save you. Then the eyes of the blind shall be opened, and the ears of the deaf shall be unstopped.
After coming to Corunna Village several times, probably my favorite attraction that I've seen from outside is this beautiful log cabin. And for the first time, it looks like I might get to go inside here. And I'm really excited about it because it's just homely, cozy, and old. And well, let's see what we see here. Christmas is coming and the lights are on the tree. I've arrived in this cabin and I'm just loving it here with this beautiful interior from 1861. Here's the cozy upstairs of this cabin from 1861. And there's something about timber wood and just a kind of darkly lit setting that is just so joyful. These look like there's a kid's room here, and it looks like there's another room on the other side, and it's just amazing up here. Oh, getting in the spirit. Okay, I'm ready to visit the combination of this beautiful old house and this amazing other log cabin that's here. So I think I'm going to take on the log cabin first because it's right here, and it is so ornate. The way the wood looks like real trees that were just cut down yesterday and assembled in a beautiful fashion. If I'm lucky, I can go through, but I have a feeling that I actually, oh, it's locked. I have to go through the main house. So we'll go through the main house, and this cabin is actually attached to the house is what it looks like. So we'll go check it out here. I'm in this beautiful house here at Corunna Historic Park, Mcgurdy Park, and everything's decorated in the most beautiful way. And there's a lot of information too. And here is the area That actually is the log cabin that we saw from outside of there. And it's cool that it's just built into the side of the house like that. It's like one piece. Nice hunting trophy and a little fire here. Oh, this is awesome. Cozy stuff. Want to move in right now. Here's your standard old-fashioned living room. No TV. Got a gramophone record. Dolls were a little bit more porcelain bigger. And we have some beautiful musical instruments throughout the whole house actually here. But you can just imagine the serenity of listening to a record or just playing a piano, or maybe it's a player piano that just plays, and have a little fun here in this room. And I like it. An old-fashioned time. Here's Santa on his typewriter, writing the list of the good and the bad kids who are going to get something. I see their names up there on the paper. Hi, Santa. And this is a beautiful room with old books on the second floor. This house here, Corunna Historical Village. Dinner is being served here. Looks like we got a turkey, some peas, cranberries, some kind of aperitif from glass here. And of course, back in the day, we placed a lot of emphasis on the tea silverware and tea pots and cups. It's great. I think I'm going to sit down here and have a little food. Chugga 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 choo choo, chugga chugga choo choo. Here we have a nice caboose here at the park, and it's from the Grand Trunk Western. And I think we can go in here and check this out too. Looks like a fun time. It's all decorated for Christmas time. But this is just a taste of another log cabin in here. It looks very cozy and nice and quaint. I think this has something to do with Curwood, James Oliver Curwood. Yep, James Oliver Curwood, the author from Wausau, who built his own castle. That's a great cabin there too. Well, this is Zack signing off for another episode of Adventure Quest. Come out and check out this Mcgurdy Park here in the wintertime, or for that matter, anytime. Stay tuned below for more episodes. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas.